PeriToons.
Hello, it's me, Peri. What do I see? Oh, dearie me. Toys and clothes all over the floor, books and blocks and so much more. Coco made a little mess. That's okay, we'll do our best. Come on now, let's not delay. It's time to clean up today. It's time to clean up, let's begin today. Pick it up and put away, away. Pick it up and put away. That's the way we clean today. Hey, hey, hey. It's time to clean up. Shout, hooray! Pick it up and put away, away. This is the way how we clean up. Toys on the ground, pick them up, look around. Blocks and cars and teddy bear. Let's put every toy right there. In the box they go, okay. Nice and neat, hip hooray! Clothes on the bed, shirts and socks all spread. Fold them small, fold them tight, make them look just right. In the drawer, slide away, neat and tidy, yay, yay, yay. Books on the floor, pick them up, one, two more, stack them tall, make them straight on the shelf, look so great. Look around, what do you say? Such a happy room today.
Thanks for sharing and subscribing. See you soon. Bye-bye.